shit. That's what I'm talking about.
Wait!
Okay, now, from the beginning.
Hello and welcome to Wolf Ridge Woodworking. I'm Ed. No project video today, but just a really quick update for you guys. So I've been struggling trying to get my project videos done on a weekly basis, and then also do some other projects that I won't video. They're just little shop projects here and there, or even actually just projects around the house. And I really only have one opportunity to get out in the garage and turn something, and that's just once a week, and it's just a project video. So it doesn't allow me to practice on other things and include, increased skills in other areas. So from now going forward, I will be releasing 2 videos a month. I've got some really interesting ideas coming up, so make sure you're subscribed to see some of the really cool projects that I've got coming up. So that is all we've got today. I wish you and your family a blessed day, and I thank all of my subscribers and anybody just stopping by. Thank you very much.